Traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I want to show you another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to scalp these markets. It's my own personal strategy that I use to cash 5 to 10 candles. It is very effective. Don't worry, I'll be showing you a backtesting section on how you can easily use this strategy. So I will not say it is 100%, but I will tell you when to get out of the market. So if you look carefully on my chart, this is 1 minute time frame and this is boom 1000. So first thing we want to do is to set up our chart. Click on this F icon over here. As you can see, the indicators I use are 5. I have moving averages, MACD, relative strength index, and another moving average. To select the first moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for moving average. Make the period to be 10, shift to be 1, method to be simple, apply to close. For the styles, make it color green, pixel 3. After that, click on save. For the second moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for moving average. Make the period to be 20, shift to be 1, method to be simple, apply to close. For the styles, make it color white, pixel of your choice. After that, click on save. For the indicators Windows 1, for the MACD, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for MACD. Make the fast EMA to be 11, slow EMA to be 20, MACD SMA to be 7, apply to close. For the main styles, make it color yellow, pixel 3. For the signal style, make it color red. After that, click on save. And for the relative strength index, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for relative strength index. Make the period to be 13, apply to previous indicators data. This is very important. For the levels, click on this pen icon. Make it 10 and 90, select color of your choice. And for the styles, make it color of your background. If your background is white, select white. If it is black like mine, select black. After that, click on save. While for the last indicator, which is the moving average, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for moving average. Make the period to be 1, shift to be 1, method to be simple, apply to first indicators data. For the styles, make it color white, pixel 2. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart will look exactly as what you see over here. So for the zoom level, let's say this is the innermost zoom. You want to zoom in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. So how do you use this strategy to cash 5 to 10 candles? So one thing I want you to first know is that if you stick to the 5 candles, you get a very high win rate. But if you stick to the 10 candles, your win rate will be lower than if you stick to 5 candles. So now, how do I use this strategy to cash moves? So first thing you want to do is your 15 minutes time frame. You want to determine if it is in a downtrend or an uptrend. So for the bull market, if your 15 minutes time frame is in a downtrend, then this strategy will work more perfect than when it is in an uptrend. While for the crash market, if the 15 minutes time frame is in an uptrend, it will work more perfect than if it is in a downtrend. But I want you to know that you can trade this strategy in any condition, if it is downtrend or uptrend. Those situations I give is just ways that you can maximize your profit. So first thing you want to do is this yellow line, which is the MACD, and this white and red line enters into the 90 level. So once you have that, then you want to see it drops below the red line. So if you can see in between here, this red line goes above the white line. So immediately you have that, you will wait for this white line to cross this candle. So you don't really focus on the green. The main thing you focus on is the white line. So you can see over here, immediately the white line crosses, you wait for one candle to form. Immediately this candle finish forming, this next one that comes out, then you count your 5 to 10 candles. So the market give you over 10 candles at this point. So sometimes it will give you 6 candles and then you see spike to the upside. Let's continue. Hope you understand the logic behind the trade. That is the only thing you need to be profitable with this strategy. So you want to see a spike, see the spike, pushes market into the 90 level, but don't forget our zoom level. So you can see here, it did not enter into the 90 level. So sometimes it may work out, but most times it is preferable you use that zoom level 3 because that is when you get higher win rate. It is what I have checked by myself. So over here, you see that it gives us that 5 candle, but we don't panic. We are looking for a very nice setup. But you can see this is a very nice one, pushes into the 90 level. The white already crosses the red. So you wait for the cross of the white on your main chart. one candle closes below, you have that. Then you see the market delivers 5 candle. Let's see if it will give us 10 candle. 10 candle also delivered around this point. So we wait for next opportunity. So we keep waiting until we have a spike. See, this did not enter into the 90 level, so market is likely to touch the white level and still spike to the upside. So you can see over here, retrace, then we have a spike. So if we have spike like this, like, all we need to do is to wait for candle to come close, give us a little profit. Once it comes close to that level, we close our trade, because market is likely to use that level as a resistance level to spike to the upside, or a support level to spike to the upside. But here we see the market continues to fall to the downside. So we are still waiting. We have spike, we did not hit the 90 level. So we see the market still print, but we are looking for that very nice setup. We continue to go. So in these conditions, yeah, over here we have a nice setup. Cross below, enters into the 90 level. Should we wait for the cross of the white? You can see that there is no cross over here. See that the green crosses, but if you are not wait for the white, you see that this spike will take you out. So what you need to do is to wait for the cross of this white, one candle below, count your 5 candles or 10 candles and be done. But you can see we have another entry into the 90 level. We have the cross. So this one is just to take people out here to get the main move. One candle below. See that it gives us 5 candles, then we have another spike. So once we have spike like this, all we can do is to wait for markets to come close to that level, and then we will close our trade. You can see the market use this area as a good support level, and then we have a spike to the upside again. So you see over here, this is a very good example. Retest, 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 then another spike. So this is why I said, once you have a spike in your entry, just wait for it to come close to that point, then you close your trade in some little drawdown thing. So let's continue. Enters into the 90 level again. Wait for the cross of the candles. You can see the cross over here. Let me zoom in. So once you have the cross, you wait for one candle below, then you count your 5 to 10 candles. See the market delivers 10 candles over here. So if we still wait, let's continue with the candles. We have not seen a spike that pushes into the 90 level. So this is not a spike. You can see this is telling you that market is in a strong bearish condition. It is moving very, very strong to the downside. So this is a spike, pushes into the 90 level. You can see this curve. It is not like this. The curve is like this. So you wait for the cross, one candle below. So target is 5 candles. See the market gives you at this point. But here I will not advise you to take this trade. Why? Because you can see the market is coming very strong to the downside. So this entry here, it's not that it will not work. You can see that it works, but it is a low probability setup, because this condition can actually happen. 5 candle spike, sometimes 3 candle spike, but the next spike will definitely give you that 5 to 10 candles. Let's wait. You can see over here, immediately we have this long spike, pushes into this 90 level, cross of the white moving average, we have our entry, and then you see the market give you that 10 candles easily. So after this entry, the next spike, this strong spike to the upside, will definitely give you that nice entry to the downside. You can see our market continues to fall. After this, I want you to go back on your chart and backtest this strategy. Take your time and practice. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. Thanks for watching.